Today I'm showing you how to find reels you watched on Facebook on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages. Step 2, go to Menu. At the top or bottom panel, tap on the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines. Step 3, open Settings and Privacy. On the menu page, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Step 4, access Settings. Tap Settings from the expanded menu. Step 5, go to Activity Log. Scroll down to your activity section and tap Activity Log. Step 6, view activity categories. In Activity Log, you can view and manage all your Facebook activity, including posts, tags, comments, and videos. Step 7, find videos watched. Swipe left on the category tabs at the top or scroll through the categories. Tap on watched videos or watch history. Step 8, view watched history. Here you can see all the videos and reels you've watched on Facebook organized by date. Scroll through the list to find specific reels. Step 9, open watched reel. Tap on any video or reel from the list to view it again. This takes you directly to the reel you previously watched. And that's it. You can now easily find and rewatch reels you've watched on Facebook using your activity log on Android.